Okay, I'm going to get straight to the point. If you are going to use this product for playing music, it is very good. It is very good. But if your main reason for having it is to communicate over the phone, it's gonna be an issue, right? Hello everyone, welcome back to another video brought to you by Dana's Electrical Services. And in today's video, I have this Bluetooth FM transmitter, right? And in this video I will be talking to you about the Bluetooth FM transmitter, tell you if they actually works or how well they work. And I will be speaking more specifically to this one. This brand is the IMDEN, however that is pronounced. So that's IMDEN Bluetooth FM transmitter for car. I think they have some other model that I saw online. I'm not even sure which model is this one. So as you can see, this one says car wireless MP3, input is DC 12 to 24 volts, and the output is QC 3.0 fast charging. So the QC right there means quick charge. So quick charge 3.0 fast charging, and it is made in China, right? So this is our Bluetooth FM transmitter. I bought this one in October 2021. I am now recording this video in April 2022. You might not see this video on YouTube until May 2022. So yeah, when I bought it for I bought it for $15.29. I checked the price this morning and I saw it for, so the price is listed as $17.99, but there is a 12% discount, so you can get it for $15.79. So that's it for the IMDEN or IMDEN or IMDEN or whatever it is, Bluetooth FM transmitter. So I'll be also showing you how you will operate this FM transmitter. So just like most FM transmitter are all, you have to set a bandwidth on your FM transmitter and then make sure that that bandwidth is also set on your radio. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it and put it on. Yeah, so I plug it in. I'm going to switch the car on. The car is now switched on. But
waiting for pairing.
And if you notice there, it says waiting for pairing, and it also said paired because it is already paired to this device that I'm using to make this video, and the bandwidth is also set. So alright, let me show you how to set the bandwidth. So when you first plug it in, alright, so when you first plug it in your charge,
waiting for pairing.
It's making a lot of noise. Let me turn it down a little. So when you first plug the FM transmitter, Bluetooth transmitter or Bluetooth FM transmitter into your car charging port, you're going to see the Bluetooth sign come up on it. That is for this model. So when you see the Bluetooth sign come up on it, you're going to hold down on this middle button right here, because you have three buttons, one in the middle that is also used to accept call, and then you have these on the end that is used to skip music and also to turn up and turn down the volume. So you plug it in. It is showing you the voltage that is going to it right now. If you hold down on it, oh, let me go again. If you hold on it, you'll see your frequency or the bandwidth come up, right? And then you're going to adjust it to whatever you want. Let's say I set mine to what am I using? Say I set mine to 88.9, right? So I set that to 88.9. I'm going to come to my radio and set my radio bandwidth to 88.9 as well, right? Once they are set to 88.9, alright, I'm going to go again. So let me change the bandwidth and go again. so you can better understand it. So I'm going to change it. Okay, so I set my radio bandwidth to, it's at 88.9, right? As you hear nothing, I'm going to plug this in, right? And then I'm also going to set it to 88.9. So let me go find 88.9. As I get closer to it, you're going to, okay, you hear it, the radio gets silent. That means they are now connected to the same bandwidth and they are communicating. So if I it's now connected to this device, so let me just disconnect it, right? So if I even take it out and plug it back in now, it's going to say waiting for pairing.
Waiting for pairing.
Okay, there you have it, waiting for pairing. I'm going to go ahead and pair a different cell phone. So just a moment. Alright, so let me see. Just a moment. Okay, so for this device, I'm going to turn my Bluetooth on, and the name of the Bluetooth device is C57. So let me pair it. C57, pair it C57. Okay.
Paired.
So when the phone is connected to the Bluetooth device, you would hear paired, right? As you previously heard. So that's how you connect it to your phone. As it relates to the volume now, you can hold down on the button, the next button, and it changes the volume. But what I notice is when you turn the volume to maximum, both on the device and on the Bluetooth module or on the Bluetooth transmitter, the sound quality is not good. And I'm also going to demonstrate that. Before I go into the sound quality, the quick charging, that works very well. I noticed that works very well for my phone. This one up here, you can use that for like your thumb drive, to play music from your thumb drive, or USB. As I said, this one is for the charging, right? And it charges the phone pretty fast. As I was saying, yeah, back to the volume, you hold down on it and it changes the volume. If you want to change the bandwidth, you'll have to hold down on the middle button, and then you see the bandwidth come up and you can change the bandwidth. If you want the next music, so to change the volume, it's long hold on the next button, so you have to hold on it for a good while. But if you want to next the song, you'll just make a short press just like that to next songs. Alright, so as it relates to the sound quality, I'm going to let you hear the quality. I'm just using standard car speaker, nothing too wonderful. As it relates to okay, I'm going to get straight to the point. If you're going to use this product for playing music, it is very good. It is very good. But if your main reason for having it is to communicate over the phone, it's gonna be an issue, right? Because you can hear the person on the phone good through the speakers, but the person doesn't hear you that well. When they speak, they get an echo, and when you speak, they don't hear it that well. I noticed that experience, and that has been a bad experience for me as it relates to communicating over the phone using this Bluetooth module. So normally I don't use it. I just use, and whenever I'm connected to it, I just use it for playing music. But the moment I get a call, I will disconnect it from the call, right? So I don't think it is good for talking on the phone, but it is pretty good for playing music. And I'm going to try and play something right here. I hope this doesn't cause any copyright. I'm going to find an instrumental. Hopefully doesn't give me a copyright. Okay, so I'm going to play something. So I'm going to turn up my phone. I'm going to turn up the volume of the car stereo now. The sound quality is pretty good, but now I'm going to turn the Bluetooth transmitter volume to maximum and you'll see what I'm talking about. Maybe because it is just an instrumental, you're not hearing what I'm really speaking of, but the problem is when this is at maximum, the sound quality is not that good. You'll have to keep the volume at like 29 or 28, somewhere there about. And I normally keep mine at 28. That's good for me. And then I can turn up my car stereo. So it is pretty good. It is pretty good for playing music. It is good for charging the phone. But as it relates to talking on the phone, I wouldn't recommend. I think that is common with most Bluetooth. Even like the built-in Bluetooth in your car. Uh, Most time the sound quality is not that good. For the person who is hearing you, you can hear them good. But for the person who is hearing you, they're not hearing you that good. So there you have it, guys. This was the, what's the name again? IMDEN Bluetooth FM transmitter for car. And that was another video brought to you by Danice Electrical Services. For more videos like these, please feel free to subscribe to my channel, Danice Electrical Services. Thank you.